let nobody kid us. The so-called banking sector cleanup and the approach adopted by this government is the biggest financial scandal to happen to this country. Look, if we decide to audit the so-called banking sector cleanup, what will unravel will shock everybody. And I'll explain why. Look, we had already done a Pricewaterhouse and all of those things. They did what they call the stress test, the asset quality review. Based on that, the World Bank and the IMF advised the previous administration to help in promulgating the Bank Specialized Deposit Taking Institution Act in September 2016. It provided the legal basis to proceed with whatever intervention. Now, when the NPP government came and saw all these reports, they adopted the approach of collapsing the banks. Like you rightly...
Which is also in the law you are talking about.
Yes, I'm saying that as for the law, we all know engineering, legal engineering. You can always engineer the problem. But I'm saying that by reason of this particular approach, you have created a further problem to the economy. As we speak, the current problem that we are having with this economy is because of the over 25 billion that we claim we spent in the cleanup.